what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make $1 million in 1 week.
Just kidding.
Delivering food with UberEats, DoorDash, and GrubHub.
More like 2,200.
This video is going to give you an overview of some of the deliveries I've had, some of the experiences, and the funny stuff that I've gone through. So let's dive in. How's it going, interwebs? So just checking in with you guys. It was a good week. Made about $2,200. I think I was at almost 200 deliveries. Last I counted, it was at 185. A lot of miles driven. I think it's almost 1,000 miles. Over 60 hours. I think it's like between 60 and 70 hours. Just approximate. But it was worth it. I learned a lot. Made some mistakes. Also had a lot of wins. Took some notes about what worked and what didn't work. I'm actually recording this video a week after that week. This previous week, so far I've only done about 1,700 and it's Sunday. So probably finish this week about 1,900. So not quite what last week was, but still good. And yeah, very interesting. So I will talk to you guys later. So as you can see here, we have a 4-bagger, and what a cold week that was. For a few days especially, there's ice everywhere, and here's the proof. And I said, hey, there's gonna be less people out, let's go get it, make some bucks. And as you can see, Santa has upgraded his sleigh. And this may or may not be that guy's house. I couldn't tell you. This also may or may not be that guy's house. And what do you think about that hedge? Is that creepy? Would you go deliver there at night? Over, under, over. So yeah, here are some of the deliveries that I have. $11 for 1 point something miles. That's awesome. That was when I got a $50 tip. So yeah, here, check these out. Some good ones. I think I only posted one bad one in terms of the dollar per mile. It's right here. $9 for 9 miles. This is how I look on the outside. But this is really how I feel. So emo. $5 cookies, anyone? Well, there we have it. My week in a nutshell. That's the wrap up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Got some insights from what I've gone through, and I wish you guys luck out there. Here are some pointers and tips about how to knock it out of the park. Like, subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what you guys think, and have a great one. Get out there and go hustle.